Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I will show you how I made these delicious Earl Grey cupcakes. I was first introduced to Earl Grey tea through Star Trek, and since then, it is one of my favorite black teas. In a mixing bowl, I added the wet ingredients and mixed it well together. Then, I added the Earl Grey tea leaves that I grinded up, along with other dry ingredients. I used a hand mixer and blended everything well. Then I put the mixture into a muffin pan and baked it. Once the Earl Grey cupcakes cooled completely, I decorated the top with vanilla buttercream frosting that has a teaspoon of grounded Earl Grey tea leaves. If you like Earl Grey tea, you should give this cupcake recipe a try. So what are your favorite tea flavors? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.